Hi there, I am Mary Carrico, and you can call me Teacher Mary. I graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Communication with an elective track in advertising from De La Salle University of Lipa. I have more than 7 years of experience as an online ESL teacher, working with different companies teaching English for Japanese, Koreans, Chinese, and Polish of different ages and levels, focusing on improving their pronunciation, grammar, fluency, and confidence in speaking English. Aside from teaching, I've also worked as a customer service representative, marketing admin, and virtual assistant. These experiences strengthened my patience, active listening skills, and ability to communicate clearly, qualities that I can bring into my classes. I also completed a TEFL certification and several training workshops focused on teaching, communication, and online engagement. My educational background helped me build a strong foundation in public speaking, language, and effective communication, which are essential in teaching English. I always make sure that my classes are engaging, interactive, and supportive because I believe students learn best when they feel comfortable and motivated. My goal is to help each student speak English confidently, whether it's for school, work, travel, or everyday communication. Thank you for listening. So, are you where you want to be? Take your journey with me and let's learn English together. Hope to see you soon.